you some different ones. Have a look at this one. This is the first one. So what's the first word you think of when you see it? Raise your hands, please.
Maybe it's about traveling making you happy.
It's about rainy days.
Oh, have a look at this one. You see a frame and you think of...
I think it's about happiness.
Exactly. Let me show you another one. You see a very... Elif?
We can say joy too.
This one?
You can choose happiness.
Okay, this one. It is getting colder.
The picture shows us that you can be happy even though it's winter and cold.
Have a look at this.
It can be about differences.
What about this? Defne?
Maybe it's about colors wherever we go.
You see some food here. Durma?
Maybe it can be about sweet things.
Let's have a look at this. Beren?
Music can make you happy.
May I ask someone to read it? Nisan, will you read it for me?
Recipe for joy. 1 cat, 1 cup of cinnamon tea, 1 snowy day, 1 bird-filled tree, 1 song in my head, 1 friend at my door. How could I want more?